This is gonna blow your mind.
Today, we're exploring 5 incredible medicinal plants that you can find growing in the wild. We'll show you how to identify them and share their amazing uses. I bet you didn't know yarrow is a powerful plant known for its wound-healing properties. Yarrow has feathery leaves and clusters of small white or pink flowers. It's often found in meadows and along roadsides.
Yarrow is excellent for stopping bleeding and promoting healing. Crush the fresh leaves and apply them directly to cuts or scrapes. It can also be brewed into a tea to help with fevers and digestive issues.
This is going to blow your mind. Next, we have stinging nettle. Despite its painful sting, nettle is a nutritional powerhouse. Look for its heart-shaped, serrated leaves and tiny, greenish flowers. It's commonly found in moist, nutrient-rich soil.
Once dried or cooked, nettle loses its sting and can be used to make tea, soups, or even pesto. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like iron and calcium. Nettle tea is also great for alleviating allergies and inflammation.
Am I the only one that didn't know chickweed is a powerful natural remedy? Our third medicinal plant is chickweed, easily identifiable by its small, star-shaped white flowers and oval leaves. You'll find it in moist, shady areas.
Chickweed is fantastic for skin irritations and wounds. It can be made into a salve or used fresh as a poultice. Internally, chickweed tea helps with respiratory issues and supports digestive health.
Everybody is looking for the perfect detoxifier. Fourth on our list is burdock. Look for its large, wavy-edged leaves and the distinctive burrs that stick to your clothes. Burdock thrives in disturbed soils and along forest edges.
Burdock root is a powerful detoxifier. It can be used in teas or added to soups and stews. Burdock supports liver function, purifies the blood, and helps clear skin conditions like acne and eczema. I bet you didn't know red clover is well known for its hormone-balancing properties. The flowers can be dried and used in teas to help with menopausal symptoms and improve cardiovascular health. It's also an excellent blood purifier. Lastly, we have red clover. Recognize it by its trifoliate leaves and round, pinkish-purple flower heads. It grows abundantly in fields and along roadsides.
This is why you need to know about wild medicinal plants. These are just a few of the many medicinal plants you can find in the wild. Remember to always positively identify any plant before using it and consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Nature offers us a treasure trove of healing right at our fingertips. Are you curious about the hidden benefits of wild plants? Thank you for joining us on this wild plant journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more natural living tips and adventures. Stay curious and happy foraging.
This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using any new herbal remedies.
Like and subscribe for more content.